Good morning, Wayfam, from Istanbul in Turkey.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit the little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. Today we are in Istanbul, yes, but we are specifically in the area of Karaköy. It's where our little Airbnb is located, and Ashley has planned for us a perfect day in Istanbul.
Now you're probably wondering, who are these beautiful people? Well, we've been here a couple days, we've refreshed ourselves after India, and we got some haircuts.
We got a little hairdos. I think I may have got more than I bargained for, but it works for me. Ashley got bangs, which I'm taking credit for. I said, you should get bangs.
He's really proud of that
I am very proud of that.
But today, I'm so excited to be able to do our favorite things here in Istanbul. So let's get on a ferry. Istanbul's public transportation is amazing. And one of my favorite parts is that ferry boats are a part of the public transportation. They're super cheap, super easy to get around, and there are tons of them, so you can pretty much go anywhere in the city by ferry.
The first part of our day is a ferry ride over to Beşiktaş for breakfast.
Beşiktaş is known for its breakfast and brunch places. Today we decided to come to an old-fashioned place that does traditional Turkish breakfast. It's one of my favorite breakfasts in the world. There are so many items you can choose from just to pick little pieces off and eat it. Definitely one of my top 5 breakfasts in the world. Turkish breakfast comes with a bunch of amazing things. We start with a salad and a bunch of veggies with some cheese, some delicious olives, cucumber, which I've never had till coming to Turkey for breakfast, but I love it, so fresh. We have clotted cream and honey, a bunch of cheeses, 2 different spreads. We have a sweet spread, jam, and then a spices spread here. And then we have menemen, which is eggs, tomato, cheese, some spices. It's the hot dish that comes with this meal. Another part of Turkish breakfast that's super important is bread. Immediately they bring you some loaves of bread, you use all the spreads on it, you just take a bite of one thing, take a bite of another thing. That's one of the reasons why I love Turkish breakfast, as well as you cannot forget a nice cup of Turkish tea. Turkish lira. Later, about 12 US dollars. We have full stomachs, and I think we're going to take some time and walk around the area. A short bus ride from Beşiktaş, we've come to a neighborhood called Karaköy. This area is known for its really awesome cafes, the great bars at nighttime, as well as a ton of street art. That's why this is one of my favorite areas in Istanbul. I think we're gonna sneak a cheeky little coffee and get the baklava of my dreams. the baklava of my dreams, I was serious.
Almost a year ago now, we came to this place on a double date. It's called Karikoy Güllüoğlu. That was a really bad pronunciation, I know, but this is a place here in Karaköy that serves baklava with dondurma, which is, as Ashley said, the baklava of her dreams. I'll admit, it's really good.
So dondurma is actually ice cream. It's the Turkish type of ice cream. It's super sticky. That's what it's known for. And then we have a ton of pistachios inside of here, and then this sweet, soft pastry and sugar. Pretty much. It looks amazing.
So Ashley, we're really close to the Blue Mosque and the Grand Bazaar and Sultan Ahmed. Do you want to do any of those things on your perfect day?
We are in the heart of the city of Istanbul right now, but we've already done those things. If you come to Istanbul, I would strongly suggest them. But today, we only have 24 hours to do the things I want to do. And what I want to do is go eat some chicken wings.
Now these probably aren't the best chicken wings in Istanbul. They're not even famous, but it's near a place where we stayed last time we were here.
Yeah.
Some might even say that this area is a little slummy, but we found that the chicken wings were extremely good, a great price.
I've been thinking of them every time, like ever since we've been
keeps
here.
bringing it up.
And never had anything like them before. And so we have to get them again. This is my selfish choice. This is what I really wanted to try again while we're here in Istanbul. Now you guys don't have to come all this way just for chicken wings, but I'm telling you, they are the best you'll ever have.
And the price is phenomenal.
Yeah, like really, really great. And why not hang out with the locals? Like this is a complete local area. I don't know of any tourists that are anywhere around.
No, I don't think so. Of course, a local's meal of grilled chicken wouldn't be complete without fresh ayran, straight from my mug. This is basically a soured buttermilk. Really good, really local, really traditional, very Turkish, and delicious.
Okay, these are our chefs, Abdullah and what's your name?
My name is Rami.
Rami. They're cooking our chicken right there. Good job, chefs. One of the ways that they serve this is by putting bread on top or the rice on the bottom, bread on the bottom to keep the chicken warm while you eat it. So you can take one wing at a time and the next one is going to be just as hot as the first one. The other thing that I love is just the char on each little piece of this. The char is what makes it amazing, and the chicken is so delicious. Like just soft, juicy, warm. I don't know that I can explain, like describe the best chicken wing you've ever had. Imagine that, because this is better.
This morning we took a ferry across the Bosphorus to Europe. Istanbul is split into two continents, the European continent and Asia, and now we're taking the Marmaray underwater back to the Asian side.
After a long day of showing you guys all our favorite neighborhoods and a ton of delicious things I like to eat, we are back to our favorite neighborhood of Kadife for a drink.
One of the reasons we like this area so much is it's kind of like a bar scene, yes, but it's very local. A lot of people here, and people just hanging out with friends and having a good time. It's very respectful. It's not like a party scene. So it's chill, it's relaxed, it feels very cool, if I can say that. They're just refilling the beer right now, NBD.
Another thing is that there are a lot of coffee shops and they're open till 11 p.m. at night. So last night we were at a coffee shop and we were working till 11 p.m. and it was awesome. And they had great Wi-Fi. It was everything we needed. We just love this area so much.
So that is our perfect day in Istanbul, Turkey. Did we miss any place? What do you think we should have included on our list?
Yeah, I know there are so many other things we could have done in Istanbul, but that is our perfect day, my perfect day. So yeah, I'm glad that we got to share it with you guys. We'll leave actually the map down below for you guys if you're interested in doing the same exact day.
Yeah. Alright, so Wave Fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. If you're interested in this or in Istanbul, make sure to check the link in the description for the map of every place we went today. And we will see you in the next video.
Bye!
Good night. Good day, good day.
Güle güle.